Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah An-Nisa. ألم تر إلى الذين يزعمون أنهم آمنوا بما أنزل إليك وما أنزل من قبلك يريدون أن يتحاكموا إلى الطاغوت وقد أمروا أن يكفروا به ويريد الشيطان أن يضلهم ضلالا بعيدا. Translation: Have you not seen those who pretend that they believe in what is revealed unto you and what was revealed before you, yet they desire to go to Taghut, devil, for judgment of disputes while they were ordered to disbelieve him? Shaitan desires to mislead them into far error. In the Shan-e-Nuzul, in the reasons of revelation, it is mentioned that this ayah and the next ayahs are about an incident that happened between a hypocrite and a Jew, and they disputed on something and they needed someone to give the decision about who is right and who is wrong. And the Jew person said that let's go to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and the hypocrite, who was apparently a Muslim but knew that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam will give the true decision based on the truth, he wanted to take this dispute to the leader of the Jews, Ka'b bin Ashraf. As the hypocrite expected that Ka'b bin Ashraf will take some bribes and will do favor to him. However, the Jew person did not agree to it, and they both went to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave the decision in favor of the Jew. Now, this hypocrite person, whose name is mentioned as Bashar, said that let's go to Umar, and they both went to Umar radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu after getting the decision from Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and the Jew person told everything to Umar radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Hazrat Umar radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu said, okay, just wait, and he went inside his home and brought a sword and he chopped the head off the neck of this hypocrite and said that whoever will not be agreeable with the decision of Allah and the decision of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, this is the decision for him. And at that time these ayahs were revealed, and Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam said that Umar has made a distinction between the truth and the falsehood, and at the same time he was given the laqab of Farooq, which means that the one who distinguishes between the truth and the falsehood. In the next couple of ayahs, the same incident will be discussed, so we must keep this incident in our minds, and we must pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala include us completely in the deen of Islam and make us follow all the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.